Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will create a Marvel pizza sales report in our Power BI desktop. So we have this report created where we have total sales, pizza number orders, number of orders, name of pizza. So all these things we have taken in cards. Beside that, like category wise, like whatever we have created a donut chart. So whatever we are making, what are our sales. So all these figures are given here. So if you will just go through that, it will show that. Beside that, we have chart month wise sales. So we can drill down to this chart and see more detailed way. So what is this? Like we have a quarter wise, and this is our yearly wise quantity of sales we have made. So it shows us all the report here. Now like we have a quarter wise, and beside that month wise, in which month we have whatever quantity of pizzas we have sold. Next is our quantity by week. So weekly what sales we have made, that thing is there. And we have a heat map, like where in which part of the day in a week we are able to make the maximum sales. Like we see, like from 12 to 1 we have maximum sales. So this is a heat map which shows us. So this is the first part. So in this part we will only focus on all these subjects here. So sum of quantity by month, quantity by week, and these cards, and this donut chart. So for that I will go to our new Power BI screen here, and we start uploading the file. So for that I will go to get data and go to text CSV, and from text CSV we have these 4 files. So I have already downloaded. I will give you the link. So first of all, order detail and the open. So it will take few seconds and you will find it on your Power BI desktop. This is the first file. So I will go to transform data first, and like it will be open in Power Query Editor. So we have to check like it's like the data there. Then we will go to the new source or the text source. Then I will take my second file. So step by step we will take all the files and then press OK. So this file is also loaded. Then I will go to new text files, text.csv, then my third file, open. So that is also loaded, but the problem is this is column is showing column 1, column 2, column 3 as heading. So we have to change that. So when this file is loaded, I will go here in the button here, right, and use first row as header, because our first row is a header actually. So we'll go to use first row as header and change our header to this. So now our header is changed. Then again I will go text file, and then I will take my 4th file and press open. So now I have loaded all my 4 files. Okay, so this file is okay. We have heading and everything is, the data is already cleaned. So now I will go and close and apply. After putting close and apply, all this file will be loaded, and it will take 4 to 5 seconds, or sometime it will take more. So in few seconds it will be loaded. So we have this files loading, and then we will see our models, like whether we have created any relations in between them or not. Generally what Power BI do, it's automatically create relations between our tables. So like if we will go and see the relations here in models, so we will find the relations between these tables. So I will just put it here, and then this one is here, order detail here. So like we have already some relations between these tables, like whatever relation, whatever data they have, whatever column they have, according to that it will dictate unique relation between that. Like here we have relation with our order details. Like if you will click here, so it will show our order ID is the relation. If you will click pizza ID is the relation, and where have a pizza type ID is the relation. So Power BI automatically create relation. We do not need to. So it's an intelligence tool, business intelligence tool. So it's doing their work automatically. Now we will go to the data, and I will just want to go to one of the file, which is our pizza. So in pizza file we have price and size, and in our order detail we have our quantity. So what I need in our order detail, I want we can add like in order detail, which is a relation with this table. So in order detail, what I will do, I will add price. So to add price in order detail, I will go to here in tables, data. So data, we will add one new column. After adding one column, I will give it a name price. So what I will do, I will give it a name price equal to, and then I will type the formula which is related, because there is a relation, and from here I will take order price, pizza price, and press this enter or right arrow key. So I just increase the size so you can see this. So I just click over this and increase the size. This is price related pizza price. So we have taken it from the pizza table. Next is we will create another new table and create a new table again, and this time we will create a sales, because we want to find out the sales, because sales can only be if quantity is multiplied by price. So first of all, I will take quantity, order detail quantity, and I will multiply it with price, and the price is order detail price, and then I will press this right arrow key. So we have a price here. So now we have a price, quantity, price and sales. So this is the thing which we have here, and from this we can create our cards and details in our field. Next I will go to another table which is our like your order, like in our order table. So I will click on my order table. So we have a time here, but the time is like we have 11.21. So but we want to give a gap of hour. So like we want to make a group between an hour time. So like 11 to 12 there will be one group, 12 to 1 another group. So we will group the time. So for grouping this time, I will just click over this, and then from here I have a new group. So I will making a group of time new, then I will click on new. So it will give bin like there, what are the bin is 14. So our time will start from 9:52:21 second in the morning till this is our minimum and maximum time, and between them I will give a group of 60 minutes. So that is the best thing what we can do. So but before that, what I will do, I will just copy this. So copy table, and then or either I will, what I will do, I will just make a new column here and just okay, or what I will do, not new column, I will just copy this. So if I copy this, what I will do, I will just edit in query first is I will add a new column here, then here I will do this. So what I will do, first of all, I will add a new column here, and we will try to give it here. Like how I will do that, right click, it is not added yet, new column is not the process, so it will not work in this way. So I will group it here only, because we don't need. I will new group, then I will give here 60 seconds. So that is the only thing what we can do, and press OK. So it will create a new column where we have a time from 11 slot to 12 slot to. So that is the way. So we will go there and get it. Next is like from here in format, I will just take we don't need yours, we need just time. So I will take this short time, and when I will click on this short time, so this field format is converted into time only. So this is the way, and I will just give it a name. I will just give it a name, custom time. So we have a custom time here. Custom time is the name, and next is I will add another new column here. I will just click over this and create a new column. Or what I can do, instead of new column, so the next thing is like we have to go to the Power Editor. So I just click over here, and then I will go to this date table, and from here we will edit query. And after edit querying, what I will do here, I will add a new column. Just go there and add, just I will duplicate this date and just duplicate column here, and here I will give the name weekdays. After giving the weekdays name, I will go to this type, I will click over this, and from here I will go to transform day and name of day. So this way we can find out name of day, and then I will go close and apply. So after going to close and apply, what we have here, like we are also having a weekdays wise sales or quantity sales, we can find out that. So this way we have created our some queries, have generated some formulas and some other things, like we have weekdays, we have custom time now, and beside that, like if I will go to the order detail table, we have our sales also with formulas. Whatever formulas we have put, we got the sales also. Like price, we have find out with related formula, and here we have this. So now we will start doing using our DAX function here. So first of all, what I will do, I will give it some color. I will go to the canvas and just custom my canvas with for 1200, and here I will put 2000 or like 1800 is okay. So yours way, whatever value. Then I will go to the background, and in background I will take this blue color, whichever color you like you can put that, and transparency I will put it 0 so that it will look like this. Then next thing is, like we have to put our heading. So I will put here heading like Marvel Pizza sales, and just Control A and put it to somewhere around 40, and then I will bold it, and then I will go to effects, and from effects I will take blue color, and to my this text I will take white color, and just drag this. So we have a name of our project. Next thing is, like what we will do, we will see like what we have made so far. So next thing is, we can put cards here. So name, total sales, pizza, number of pizza orders, and all these things stuff. So what I will do, I will put a card. First card I will put this one, and in this card I will put sales. So sales we have here, so I will go to the field and put sales. So it will show us sales, and if you notice, and then I will go to this button here, call out value is okay. Then I will go to the category label, and here also I will put 22 and bold it, or either I will put it to 32, that will look much bigger, sales. And if we want to change the color also, effect, I will put it blue, so it will look the same color. And then visuals, I will make it white, and then here also I will take it white. So this is our first card. Then I will copy this, Control C, Control V. So we have second card, Control C, Control C, V. So third card. So we have 4 cards here. Now I will start changing the values here. So first of all is same. I will just click and remove this. So we have sales here only. Enter. So we have sales. Now I will go to this card, and here I will take quantity. So I will just remove this and put quantity here, this here. So this is sum of price, and from here I will do some more changes also. Like I will not take, like in the call out value, like auto is there, so I will take none, so that look better. And decimal is 0, this is good. Similarly I will do here also none, and decimal is 0. So this is our price. Sorry, I have taken here price. So instead of price, what I will put here is quantity. I like to put here quantity. I will put quantity, so whatever quantity we have sold, that will be there. Enter. So we have sale, we have price, and next what I can do is I can put other things here, like order ID is there, prices is there, quantity is there, and beside that, in name of pizza, like how many types of pizza we have, and category. So pizza, I will take name here, so I will go there and put the name. Sorry, I will just take outside, so I will just click there and click over this, and here I will take name. So it is taking first name, and I will just go there and count distincts. So it will count name, so I will just put the name, remove this and write pizza names. So how many pizzas we have? We have 32 type of pizza. Next is, what we can do is here is we can also put some more things, like name of pizza is there, quantity is there, price is there, and let's see like what we have made last one. Number of orders, so what we have taken number of orders, that we can also take. Like in this case, in number of order, what we have taken here is our number of orders is we can take. So let's see like how we can find out number of orders. So for number of orders, I will go to my report here and find out the number of orders. So order ID is the thing, like we will see like how we can find out number of orders here. So like if you will go to order detail, so this is our order detail ID. So if we can count them, so that will be the order ID is basically an order detail ID is the way like we can find out number of orders. So that's the thing we can do. So in this, I will order detail ID, I will put here and put this order detailed ID, and it's showing the sum. So we don't need the sum. So what we will do, we will count distinct or count. So these are the number of orders we have received, which is 48,000 something like this. Then I will go there, call out value is okay. We have to just none, that's okay. So these are the number of order we have, and here I will write, just change the name. So number of order we have now. We can do other things also, like we can put some photographs and all from our internet, other things. So next thing is like we will create a bar chart. So I go to the bar chart here, and in this bar chart I will take our date in x-axis. So I will take date in x-axis, and beside that you can even, like in the last I have taken my quantities. So I will take quantity in my x-axis, and from here I will remove this day, otherwise this is too big chart, and just increase its size. So this is according to our month, quarter, like if you will go drill down chart, so it will our quarter, and this is our yearly. So we have only 1 year of data, that's why it's showing just one. And so this way we can find out the details, and we can do some here some formatting, like 22 is the size, bold, and color is something like white. I will give the white color, and then I will just in journal I will go to the effects, and here I will give the blue color. So let's see like how we can do this, and journal, and this I will give white color, not sorry white, this should be this much. And our, you can do the formatting accordingly, so that will be the better thing. Effects, here we have color of background, I will take only white, that's okay. And our title should be black only, or it should be 22 if you need that. or either it will go to 22 and I will put it 32 and bold. So this is quarter by sales. Okay, x-axis auto range values should be 32 and I will bold this. Then our title should be show title bold. I will just increase this to 32 and bold. Now I will go to journal, shadow, whatever is there. We have to find out all these things where we have all this written. I will just do all this. Or there is some problem. Title auto show title. I will put it again 32 and bold. Reset to default. It's showing some problem here. Okay. and bold. Quarter sum of that not showing big size. I am just looking for it. Title on, and that should be 34, and here we quarter by some quantity, and then bold it and put it in the center. Quantity by quarter is there, and if you will go there, so it will show us different, like yearly, this is our quarterly, and this is our monthly. So if you will go 1 month, it will give us month. So now I will just copy this, Control C and Control V, and here the next thing I will do, what we can make here is our sales by our, like if I will go this chart, and here we have date is okay, and in this in place of date I will take our weekly data. I will take weekdays. So we have this weekdays data also, because we have created one column where we have date weekdays, where we have quantity of quantity, and just change the name. And to change the name, I will go to journal, title, and here I will give name to quantity TIT by weekdays. So this is the, like we have most of the sales, and for that, and more editing you can do, because there is some not proper editing done, so we can do more editing and make better decision with this data. But still, at like if you will click on any one, it will give the sales of that particular month also. Next is like we will create our donut chart also. So for donut chart, I will click outside and click over this, and here we will put a donut chart according to our categories. So we have a categories in legends, and I will put sales this time. I will put sales by category, whatever sales we are making according to category, and then you can do whatever you want to do with the formatting here. So first of all I will put, then we will do formatting. I will put this. Next is our, I will put a matrix here. So put a matrix. I will click on the matrix here, and in this matrix what I will do, I will to put like a weekdays, in our rows, go to column, style present. You can take any style, or either we can go to this insert view. So we can go to view and just click over this, and I will go to custom current theme, and then I will go to visuals in like text. So I will go to text and put it to 22 and apply. So this is better, like I have changed it from our theme only, so everything is now bigger and more clear. So now we have a weekdays here, and beside this weekdays, what I will like to put here is our I want to put it our sales. In columns I will put sales, and then our time is also, date is also there. We have making a one date, one column there. We have to find out where it is. Date, order, time, weekdays, and then I will put time. So this time is not okay. We have created another time there. Custom time, we will put a custom time here. Sorry, we have put custom time here and values in sales. So this is the way we have created, like custom time we put here and sales also. Now I will go to this custom time, and then one second, I will go to this custom time from here, or either sum of sales, and in sum of sales I will go to conditional formatting, and then I will go data bar, and like we have a positive and highest and lowest, so data bar only. We can even have a data bar also, or we can have a values also. So we have a data bar for positive and negative, and press OK. So we have now data bars, or either we can put colors also, like we can now we even do other things also. I will go to conditional formatting, data bar again, highest, lowest, that thing is there. Show bars only, so it will only show bars, or other thing we can do. Sorry, we click over this conditional formatting, font color, bar, icon, background color we can change. If we go to background color, so we better, like we will put a background color and add middle also. So background color is okay. So for highest I will put red color. Where is red color? Here. More color I will take, and here I will take red, and press OK, and press. It's not working out. See what's the problem. Cancel this. It's not even cancelling. So okay, so this is the red color. Here I will take somewhere around this color, whatever you like, that's okay, and then I will press OK. So this is better way. And if you want to remove the, like this, another thing we can do that also, because we have remove conditional formatting, we have data bar. So I will just remove this. So this is the way we created this chart also here. Now we can even add some photos and photos here. So I will go to insert, and from images, and from downloads I have only got a pizza photo here. So I will just put this pizza photo and put it here. So it is, to some extent, it's the way like we have created a chart, so it contains all the details here. And now we can just drag this to this area, and this one to the last one area, and this one to complete this area, so it will look more better. And this also we can drag and present it. So this is the first thing which we can do in our report. In next part we will add more things in that. So that's all in this video.